Hey everyone, this is V Smart Pro, and I'm Vahid. Today, I want to talk to you about modern architecture and how it can help reduce costs. Good design isn't just about aesthetics, it can also significantly cut down on unnecessary expenses. Modern design is often more cost-effective compared to classical design. But what makes modern design stand out? The answer is creativity. It's the architect's creativity that can turn a simple idea into a masterpiece. In modern architecture, space is utilized in the most efficient way possible, with almost no waste. Buildings are also lighter, giving architects and builders more flexibility in choosing materials and structures. This flexibility not only reduces costs but also speeds up construction. So, if you're looking for a design that's both beautiful and cost-effective, modern architecture might be the best choice. Remember, creativity is everything. If you enjoyed this podcast, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.